Your kitchen under sink is a hot mess. I have got you. Today's episode is just for you. If you're trying to get your kitchen decluttered and organized, then the under sink area is a great place to start. We recently had a faucet leak, and for that reason, we had to take everything out from under the sink, and I decided to take the opportunity to declutter and organize it the way I had really been wanting to. If you love organizing with Dollar Tree items, you're going to want to go back and watch some of the other kitchen organization videos, and I will make sure to link to those below. The first problem I wanted to fix was that the surface area of my under sink had gotten grimy and just really dark. So instead of spending a lot of money on contact paper, I jumped over to Dollar Tree and picked up 5 rolls of their Cricut style paper. One of the biggest challenges of organizing your kitchen under sink is going to be all the pipes and all the other things that you're going to have to maneuver around. Of course, these things can't be moved. They have to be where they are so that we can use our kitchen effectively. But I found a system to cover this area and make it look really clean and bright and decluttered using these inexpensive Cricut style sheets from Dollar Tree. First, I started by cutting the sheets to the area, and then I quickly abandoned that and used more of a patchwork type idea where I would cut shorter strips and just piece them together around all the elements that needed to stay in place. If you're new to Skip to My Life, a great big welcome. Please comment below and let me know how you found me. If you've been watching for a while, you know my long-haired dachshund Bella is my trusty sidekick, and you will see her a lot in this video, and I'm going to tell you why. It's been very cold weather where I live, and there is some kind of a little creature seeking comfort in the baseboard. Now, we cannot seem to get that little creature out, but she is hearing him there, and you're going to see her through this whole video paying really close attention. Now, this step may seem extreme to you, and you certainly do not have to start your under sink reorganization by covering all the walls, but for me, it made just a huge difference. The vision I had for this area was a surface that I could easily wipe off, keep clean, and that most of all just looked light and bright. Comment below and let me know if you have ever attempted to organize under your sink or if you will be trying some of the ideas that I'm showing you. With my 5 rolls of the Cricut style paper from Dollar Tree, I was able to cover everything but just a small piece of the floor of that under sink. Now you will notice there is some bubbling on that back wall. That's the wall that faces the outside, and as I said, it's been really cold. So I was not able to get all of those bubbles out, but as you'll see in my next step, we're gonna cover that area anyway, so it really won't matter. If you want to double this surface area, you can cover with your vinyl paper. Use those plastic sheets that you're actually peeling off the back and I would otherwise have discarded, and I use them to cover part of the floor of this under sink redo. Now just duct tape it down. It is a water repellent surface, so it works really well on the floor of your kitchen under sink. Now let's talk about lighting. I knew that was going to be an important part of this redo, and I just purchased this light from Five Below. It's a motion sensor. It was $5 and it solves a huge lighting issue. There was some plastic piping that needed to stay where it was, so I zip tied 2 wire shelves from Dollar Tree together and used them to form a bridge so that that plastic piping can stay where it needs to stay. If you live in a small space like my husband and I do, you appreciate more areas for overstock, and I was really happy that I had room for 3 rolls of paper towels with my new under sink redo. Now's the fun part. We get to go shopping at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite under sink organizers. First, I'll stock the wire rack in the back with all my cleaning fluids and supplies. Dollar Tree has carried these stackable bins for a long time, but they're just now coming out with some in some really pretty neutral colors. These are perfect for under sink. I do recommend that you glue gun them together because otherwise they tend to topple over. Comment below and let me know if you are a fan of the nitrile gloves. I know that a lot of people are using these now, especially for cleaning. They have multi-use. They're not flimsy like some of the latex gloves. I have been a big fan of the Dollar Tree brand magic erasers for a long time. They're very much less expensive and they do the same type of job. To keep those organizers from toppling, I'm going to store 4 water bottles in the bottom. I use these to dilute many of my cleaning fluids, and that'll just be a really handy spot to store them. These locker style boxes from Dollar Tree have been a favorite of many YouTubers. You all have probably seen them many times, but you will be shocked at how much they can hold for just $1.25 each. I was able to hold 2 large rolls of kitchen bags, and now we're going to fill the other bin with some brand new kitchen linens. If you're a fan of microfiber for kitchen linens, then just go ahead and stock up at Dollar Tree. I like their drying mats, but I prefer a softer, more cottony fabric for my kitchen towels. Well, Bella was reminding me that it's time to do some shout outs to your fur babies. I have had a backlog of names that you all sent me, so I am just going to take care of that right now and get a bunch of shout outs to your precious fur babies. If you have a fur baby, leave a comment below with their name and I will include them in an upcoming video. I found this 4-pack of hand towels at Marshall's and they were exactly what I was looking for. They have a little Valentine theme because the time I'm filming this, it was before Valentine's, but it wasn't over the top. So I know that I'm going to love these for a long, long time. One of the secrets of organizing under sink is leaving some space for new products. I'm trying these scouring sponges from Dollar Tree. Comment below and let me know if you have used them and if you like them. I can swear by this moisture eliminator box. We use it all the time in our deck equipment, and so I'm going to be putting one of those under sink. And then a fire extinguisher is a really great idea to have in your kitchen, and I know I'll remember where this one is. You've watched my spring cleaning challenge and my magic cleaning caddy video, then you know that I have pretty much streamlined my cleaning products to 3 different surface cleaners. One is an all-purpose cleaner, one is a window cleaner, and one is an essential oil air freshener. And I am keeping those in this little basket that I'm hanging over the door, along with some Dollar Tree microfiber towels. Now, this basket did not come from Dollar Tree. It's the only item I purchased elsewhere, so I will give you a link to that. This is the first time I have seen this really high-end looking over the door rack at Dollar Tree, and I snapped it up, but the problem was this is meant for a door. It's not meant for a cabinet. So my husband graciously cut it down for me and he made it look great and it fits perfectly. And this is going to be exactly what I was looking for. It's a really sturdy hook to hang my towels on. Well, now that I have completed my undersink kitchen redo, I realize that my kitchen cabinets are looking a little dingy, so it's probably time to repaint. But when you see the before and after of this Dollar Tree undersink organization, I think you'll agree with me that it's pretty dramatic. I just want to encourage you to part with your stained and worn out kitchen towels, declutter, be pretty ruthless, and streamline your cleaning routine, streamline what you have underneath. You will be so happy when you open the doors to your kitchen undersink. You do decide to take on this project, I have a little challenge for you. Don't say anything about it to anyone else in your home. Just find a couple hours to tackle this on your own and then comment below and let me know what kind of reactions you got from the rest of your family. And please don't forget, my friends, today is not the end of your story, so do not give up.